Welcome, welcome. Today we're going to talk about the diet top, and it's called the diet top because it's got sides that come in that you can do a different color. So you only look a third as wide as typically. I love this top. This is pattern number 314, and the reason I'm showcasing these today is both patterns are available. They're a donation. They come together for $30, no shipping, no anything, $30, you get both of them. And that all goes to PBS, 100% goes to the Fit to Stitch show. So let me talk a little bit about what I did with this one. This is where I got my inspiration. First off, I'll show you this little stripe. I didn't do it out of stripes. Stripes are fun. I just didn't want to do it out of something different. I love yellow. We've got some yellow in. This fabric is $33.87. I love a little bit of sunshine, a little bit of flowers, a little bit of hibiscus. Yellow is just terrific. And I love yellow and navy. So, and I knew I was going to wear it with jeans. So this is $33.89. It's just a navy rayon. This is a viscose. They're both rayons. And they just pair well together. Simple sewing. It's about the only raglan I think we've ever had in the line, but it fits beautifully. It has a dart up here at the shoulder so that it really forms the shoulder nicely. A band at the bottom of the sleeve, so very different kind of sleeve that you could put in, other tops as well. It's got a band at the bottom, and then of course a band around the neckline. So it's a banded diet top. But anyway, we love this top, It did really well. The whole group in Kansas City said, bring that back. And so we figured out a way to bring it back. And it's again, along with St. John's top. And this St. John's it's a cowl overlay onto a base. And so those two patterns are what we're focusing on this weekend. We need to sell 100 sets. Easy, right, you guys? 100 sets. In fact, that's all we have. So, in fact, we have less than that. But the goal is that, and once they're gone, they're gone. So don't forget, get your inspiration, get your fabric, use any combination. You could use the whole thing one color, obviously, but it's fun to play with different. And if there's fabrics that you only have a yard of this and a yard of that, you can put them together and really have a lot of fun just seeing what you can do with it. And remember, you'll only look a third wide because 2/3 of you is gone. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.